to our channel. Today we are going to start with the topic Learn how to build a custom LMS software for your business. It's true that the e-learning industry is on the rise with a staggering 900% growth since its inception. The market is forecast to reach 400 billion USD by 2026, which was 200 billion USD in 2019. The biggest surge in the e-learning sphere is the development of learning management systems (LMS), which offers diverse knowledge in various areas and comes in a colossal range of formats, ranging from video tutorials to master classes to high education courses. If you are a business person in the education or learning sector, this is the right time to build your own LMS software and use the current e-learning trend in your favor. LMS providers like us help you with that. Follow these steps to build a custom LMS software and make e-learning fruitful for mentors. Step 1. Define the idea. You may have an abstract vision in your mind. The task is to clarify it and make it more understandable for your business partners. A clearly defined idea has more convincing significance and higher chances of getting approval and funding. Additionally, you should determine target platforms for your e-learning service. Know whether you need just a web solution, a mobile app, or both. Step 2. Choose a team. Get in touch with an experienced team of developers and designers for the development and design part for your LMS project. Although you can choose to build your own team, the process will take a lot of time and resources. Choose the LMS team based on reviews, ratings, portfolios, case studies, prices, or recommendation. Also, business reputation and experience are key indicators here. Step 3. Determine the required features. Create a list of features you will need in your LMS software. Each feature will take time and resources to implement and test. So think of optimizing and narrowing them if you have a limited budget. Plus, consider creating an additional list of features you might want to include in your software after its release. Step 4. Develop a minimum viable product (MVP). An MVP acts as a functioning version of the software with a minimum number of features. It will convey the core idea of your LMS software so you can promote it before the launch of the final product. Ask users to explore the features of your software and share their feedback. Subsequently, use this information to make further improvements and additions to the final LMS software. Step 5. Thoroughly test the product. To deliver the best possible learning experience, it's essential to perform as many tests as needed to diagnose and fix the bugs present in your custom LMS software. Carry out responsive loading speed, usability, and performance tests. Don't rush, just wait patiently until the learning management system is ready for the launch. The final step, promote the software. If you have managed all the way through the software design, development, and testing of your LMS software, congratulations. But there is one thing left, promoting your LMS software to ensure the highest quality for your target audience. Make sure its release is accompanied by promotional activities to draw attention to your software product. The value of education remains unquestionable in the business world. That's why successful businesses consider spending money on online education as a profitable investment. So if you have a custom LMS software idea in mind, allow us to bring it to your life. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you and have a nice day.